Hi children, welcome to Techno class. Today I am continue the lesson what we were discussed in the previous. Do you remember what we were discussed? You should remember children. If you not remember this all the things, the photosynthesis or the how to prepare their food or how their functions of the food system. Now we are going to say about the stomata I said. Now we are going to say about the transpiration. What is this meaning of the transpiration in the plant? So transpiration has to take like excess of water molecules. So for example, we have the transpiration in a urinary system or through the sweat, or sometimes with nose also some of the water vapor has to be come out, isn't it? So the transpiration also required in the water. See, for suppose many places like garden we have, or in the forest, when you go to the forest there is always rainfall. Water is not required that much what they require. Like for example, we also needed the water, but excess of the water it has come from the majority of the urinary system, isn't it? So the same thing, they do not have that type of the systems, but they can send the water with the stomato. That is a transpiration, isn't it? We can see the practically, if you take one plant and just to close with the what we say some plastic cover and observe after 1 or 2 days, there are the some dews are present or some water drops are appears in the plastic cover because of that excess of the water has to be come out. So this is the in your level transpiration in the water. What are the excess of the water? It has to be come from the leaves, isn't it? So leaf is very important in the plants. Of course, let's see what are the functions of the leaf. So we know that is the kitchen of the place. So which is the main, that is the presence of the photosynthesis. The photosynthesis we know. Later once again we are going to discuss, but before that, see, once all of you read children, leaves plant an important role in the life of the plant. So leaves are the very important. Leaves are very important role and it has to be taken. So children, once all of you see, the leaves play an important role in the life of the plants. So leaves are very important in the plants parts. Everything is important, but it's like our brain and the heart, how it is there. The same thing are present like leaves also. Let's see. So help in respiration. So this is a new thing. It has to came in the help in the respiration. Children, once again I say that carbon dioxide only it needed during the photosynthesis. The process, the photosynthesis, by the time only it's required the carbon dioxide. The rest of the thing, oxygen and the excess of the carbon dioxide also it has to be taken out. And when it is not presence of the not doing the photosynthesis, it has to take the oxygen. So exchange of gases, like the same thing also applied in these plants leaves only. That is the lower surface of the leaves, they are having stomato. Through this stomato they used to be do this respiration. Am I clear children? Let's see this carry out transpiration. So just now I said about the transpiration in the plant's leaves. So excess of the water it has to send out, isn't it? So the excess of the water they carry out, isn't it? Even more water we have to be poured, but it will not take. it has to be sent out, which is the excess of the water is presented. And the next one, see, prepare food by the process of photosynthesis. Prepare the food by the process called photosynthesis. So, how many times we say about the photosynthesis? We should know again and again the process which is the very important role it has to take in the photosynthesis. Once again I say, children, what is the photosynthesis? The green leaves. Once all of you see the green leaves. What is the photosynthesis? No, we have to discuss many times I said you. So let's once again I say, what is the photosynthesis? So the photo means light. Photo means light. Understand? So light will get from the sun. Photosynthesis. What is the meaning of the synthesis? Synthesis means process or doing. So photo with help of water molecules, water, carbon dioxide, the presence of sunlight. So the presence of sunlight, they get the starch plus oxygen. They get the starch and oxygen. Understand? This is the photosynthesis. Children, I would like to say photosynthesis role. All the plants, they cannot prepare their food. That is autotrophs, no? So only those plants are having chlorophyll. Those the plants are having this pigment called chlorophyll. That plants are in a green in color. So all the green color plants prepare their food with the help of the water molecule, carbon dioxide, the presence of the sunlight. They give the result starch and oxygen, isn't it? So this process also done by the leaves. The main role they have to take care of the photosynthesis. So the photosynthesis also very important role it has to be taken in the leaves. Understand? So I would like to say, children, once again all of you recall and once again revise this one. Okay.